The Borosil Brew Pro Drip Coffee Machine is designed for effortless brewing, offering convenience, efficiency, and a perfect cup every time. The basket-shaped filter ensures smooth and easy brewing. With a 600 milliliters water tank with visible markings, you get precise measurements for the perfect brew. For added safety and convenience, it features auto shutoff and an anti-drip function, preventing spills and ensuring a mess-free experience. The stylish modern design makes it a great addition to your kitchen. Its borosilicate glass carafe is heat-resistant and durable, making it ideal for everyday use. Powered by a 550W motor with a high-quality thermostat, it heats up quickly, ensuring fresh coffee in minutes. The keep warm function maintains the ideal temperature, so you can enjoy hot coffee whenever you're ready. Brew 4 to 6 large cups effortlessly, perfect for home or travel. With its user-friendly one-touch operation, you can brew the perfect cup every time. Backed by a 2-year warranty, it's a must-have for coffee lovers seeking quality and reliability. The product link is in the description below, so you can check it out and buy it directly from Amazon. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Brand Tech Compare for more amazing gadget reviews and comparisons.